Kwa makiria wa mathaa matano maabitha ruhonge rwa Flying Squad matinda Maabitha hema mucii-ini kwa muhuri biacara wi gatu Jimmy Wanjigi mwena wa Muthaiga guuku Nairobi. Ihumo gia birigiceni eno ari micinga 5 muthemba wa AK-47 na rithathi mirongo kenda na ithatu iria ihithukirio nyumba-ini imwe mwena wa Malindi iria kuruhanitio nake Jimmy Wanjigi.
Watu ya DCI wanaendelea na uchunguzi ili wafanishe mwenye nyumba ni nani, hii vitu alikuwa ameweka kwa nyumba kwa nini na alisitoa wapi. Kwa hivyo tumepata hii vitu mbele ya wafanyakazi wake waine na wamedhibitisha hii vitu imetolewa kwa nyumba yao.
Kurigana na OCPD wa Malindi Matawa Mushangi, birigiceni yo iratafanirio tuko wa gukio muthini timwe ya maabitha kuma honge tiganite na iria iratumitwo kuma Nairobi. O ne thutha wa maabitha ruhonge rwa ugacero gukorwo makimurika kwa ihinda mithiire thiini na nja wa nyumba eno kuria mekoire muhuri biacara uyu aya gukorwo akinyitanira na gikundi gia turia nime na aria makoretwo makiingiria micinga guku bururi-ini na njira cia ngungo.
This is an area where there's terrorism in Kenya. And we have been victims of terrorism in almost every town in Kenya. We are not safe with the hospitals, schools, or anywhere. I would urge the members of the public, if they see such people they are suspicious of, or items they are suspicious of, they should immediately alert us, and we will do the investigation, and we will hold the information in confidence.
Kurigana na OCPD Mushangi, borithi ni marathie na mbere guthuthuria gikundi kia huri biacara me gatu na kiria gikoretwo gikiendia dawa cia kurefia hamwe na gwikuruhania na biacara ya micinga. Ikinya riri ria borithi ni rikumithirio na njira nene ni atongoria ngwataniro ya NASA na aria megwikinyitie giikaro-ini giki.
This illegal activities is being undertaken because Mr. Wanjigi is associated with the National Super Alliance, NASA, and this raid is supposed to detract the minds of the people of this country from a very important matter of national concern, the elections.
A regime that has gone rogue, that have thrown out the constitution and think that they can arrest anybody, any day, any time, without due regard to the law and the constitution of this country. Jimmy Wanjigi is a well-known person in this country. You don't need to come and arrest him in the way they are doing. If they had just called him to the police station, he's a law-abiding citizen, he will have availed himself. But looks like this is political.
Hinde ya birigiceni yo muthi mwena wa Muthaiga, Jimmy Wanjigi dauma gwake mucii. Kwa ihinda ria mieri minini mihituku, Wanjigi akoretwo akioneka micemania-ini ya kiuteti na mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga, kurerikanite gukorwo ari umwe wa aria maheaga NASA kigina gia kambeini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.